Alright, in this lesson we're going to show you how to draw the gauge. And the gauge is really the best way to start it is to start by drawing this bottom part right here. So we've got two concentric circles and two concentric circles that are separated by 6 inches, and they're all the same size. So the radius is 0.81 here, and these holes have a diameter of 0.56. So let's do that. So here we go. We're going to go to AutoCAD, and we're going to draw one circle here, diameter 0.56. Okay. And the outer one had a radius of 0.81. 0.81. Okay, so I'm doing circle command, concentric circle, finding that center point, drawing it. I'm going to do that again because I think that's what's messing some of y'all up. Delete. So once again, circle command, click the center, drag out your circle, but don't click anything, and type in diameter, D for diameter, enter, 0.56, enter. Click your circle command again. Touch the outer side of the circle, the center mark appears. Click on it when it says center, drag it out, and go 0.81. Don't hit D that time because now this time you want radius. Okay? I'm going to make sure my ortho is on. There it is. So I have to hit F8. Ortho is on. Now I'm going to copy, C-O, enter, or hit the copy command up here. I want to select this object and this object, enter. I want to grab it by the center, and look at, as long as I've got ortho on, now I can drag this over this way and type in how far do I want to move it over? 6. Escape, escape. Now I've got my 2. I'm going to get my line command, and I'm going to draw this bottom line here. Escape, escape. I'm going to get my line command again and draw the top line. Okay. I am going to get my trim command and select which lines I want to trim to. That one and that one. Enter. And I want to get rid of that. And I want to get rid of that. Escape, escape. Now all we need to do is construct the part that sticks out there. And it's tough. It is tough. But it tells you that it is from 0 degrees here. The first little circle is 15 degrees. So I'm going to draw a line at an angle. I'm going to go ahead and get my line command, touch the center here for my first line. I'm going to take ortho off for this one so you can see what I'm doing. And then in order to draw a diagonal line, I have to put in a relative coordinate. So I hit at 7. I'm just putting in an arbitrary number to get it out there. I know it's not 7, but it is, it's going to actually be shorter than 7. Alright? And it has an angle, shift, comma, 15. Now, it went the wrong direction, didn't it? Why? Because it's not 15 degrees. This is 15 degrees from that point. I need to go 15 degrees this way. So I'm going to go 180 degrees minus 15, which is 165. So clear that line, click on it and delete it. Get this line again, go to the center mark, and now I'm going to type in at 7, arbitrary number to make sure it's long enough because it's just a point of it's just a reference line. Shift comma to get the angle mark 165. There it is. There's that reference line. Now I need to draw another line like this that is 45 degrees from 180. So click this line at, let's do 7 again, shift comma, 180 minus 45 is 135. Boom. There's that second reference line that you see there. The rest of it is all concentric circles. So it tells me that the distance from this center to this part is radius 3.13. So I need that circle. Then I need a one for this one. It's a radius of 0.363. The center here has a radius of 3.88. This has a radius of 4.13. And this has a radius of 4.63. And where this line intersects with this radius 3.88 is where I'm going to put the center marks for this circle, and that circle. Then I'm going to trim everything out. So again, I printed this off. So I'm going to go refer to the printed copy I have here in front of me. And the first thing I'm going to do is get a circle command. And from this point right here, I'm going to draw a radius, a circle, and I'm going to type in 3.13. Another circle command, same center point. This one now is radius 3.63. Another circle command, same thing, but this time the radius is 3.88. I heard you say it. You're following along, I hope. Circle command. Next one is radius 4.13. Enter. Circle command. Last one. Same center mark. Radius is 4.63. Okay, it's starting to take shape. Now, if you're smart, you're going to realize that you could draw a circle here. This point of intersection. Uh-oh, it won't give me point of intersection. So guess what I got to do? Right mouse click on Object Snap Settings, get intersection. Now I get that mark, and that little circle has a radius. Well, it doesn't matter. I can put it right to there. We know it goes there. Let me do that again. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. Circle command. Click here on that point of intersection, and I'm going to point of intersection to there. Alright, let me do that again. It's a little confusing. First thing I'm going to do is on my right, I'm going to go up to my Object Snap Settings, and I'm going to make sure intersection is touched and selected. Now I'm going to get a circle command, and I want one from here to there. I want another one on the outside of that. So same center to there. Okay? Then the only other thing I need is to have a small circle from here to here. Okay? So now we got to trim. Trim. Select everything. It's going to be easier. I want to get rid of, enter, rather. I want to get rid of that, that, and that. Okay? Let's get rid of this, and this. Okay, I'm going to zoom in. I want to get rid of this. Get rid of all of this. I don't need it. Click on all of that. I don't need that part. I don't need this. 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 I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, but I'm trying to do it so it's clear for you. And there is no, remember, there's no right or wrong answer the way to get the drawings done. You might have a completely different way to start it than me, and that is absolutely fine. And that's not trimming out because that is a line segment. That is not overlapping anything else. Let's get rid of this, delete. Let's get rid of this reference line, delete. This reference line, delete. And this line right here, delete. Now we're almost done. All we got to do now is put a TTR circle here and trim it. A TTR circle here and trim it. Or we can use the fillet command, one or the other. So let's use fillet. Fillet is easier, I think. Fillet command. And it says radius, so click on radius. And the fillet command, the radius is 0.75. Enter. And I click on this line and this line. And there is the radius. Now you got one on the other side with a radius of 1.25. So fillet command, radius. The radius is 1.25. Enter. Click on this line and this line. And there is the gauge. That one's hard.